Hey guys and gals, Mama Bear here with a Daily Dash of Life. Today's crochet project will be on the letter Z. I will link the pattern in the description box below. The items you'll need for today will be just to grab your yarn, get a small pair of scissors, you'll need a tapestry needle, and your hook, of course. And that's it. The first thing I will do is I'll make a slip knot. And then chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. For row 1, I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in the next 13 chains. So you know me, I like to work in the back bump, so I'm going to skip this one and work in this one. Create a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So here's my first single crochet, and then I'm going to do 13 more across. 2, 3, 4, and so on until I have the 14 across. Okay, here's number 14. So now I have 14 single crochet going across for my first row. Then I'm just going to chain 1, turn my work, and begin row 2. For the next couple of rows, rows 2 through 5, I'm just going to single crochet across, which will just be a total of 14 single crochet across. Okay, this is my 5th row. This is stitch 11, 12, 13, and 14. So I have the bottom part of my Z completed. So this part right here. Now we need to start working on this part, building up. So in order to do that, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. I'm going to single crochet in the first 6 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After completing those 6, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work again. I'm starting row 7. I'm going to do 2 single crochet in the first single crochet, which means I'm going to be doing an increase. I'm going to single crochet into the next 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to work a decrease over the next 2 single crochet. I just completed row 7. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work for row 8. For row 8, I'm going to begin with a single crochet decrease over the next 2 single crochet. Then I'm going to single crochet into the next 3, single crochet, and then I'm going to work 2 single crochet into my last stitch, into my last single crochet for an increase. If you notice, because I'm doing increases on this side and decreases on this side, my work is being pushed this way, and that's what I want. That's going to give my diagonal for my Z. So we're just going to continue doing that for rows 9 through 14. So chain 1, turn my work. Let's begin row 9. I'll meet you back here when you have completed row 14. Looking good so far, and we haven't even blocked yet. Okay, I just completed my 14th row, and I'm sorry if I failed to mention that each one of these rows right here will include 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches across. Because I just completed row 14, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. Now that I'm starting row 15, I'm going to do 6 single crochet across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn my work, and I'll be starting row 16 from here. So in the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, here's the second chain from the hook, I'm going to do a single crochet. Here's 1, and then I'm going to do a single crochet across the next 7 chains. So I should end up with a total of 8 right here. Here's my first one. Here's my second single crochet. Here's my third single crochet. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Now I'm just going to do my 6 single crochet across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my last single crochet of the row. Now I have a total of 14 across. Ta-da! It's like magic. That's row 16. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work for row 17. Single crochet in the first single crochet. Excuse me. Do your first single crochet in the last single crochet of row 15. And then you're just going to do 13 single crochet across. So that's 2, 3, 13, 4, turn. There we go. And as you can see, the top of the Z is already forming. Then just do the same thing as you did down here for rows 17 through 20. So I'll meet you back here when we're done with row 20. Okay, almost done. So this is my 20th row. That's 11, 12, 13, 14. Dun, 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 dun. All done. So I'm just going to cut my yarn, finish off, and weave in the ends. And then just manipulate the yarn so that it can go where you want it to go. So what I like to do is to bend my yarn over my tapestry needle, squeeze it at the bend, and then push it through. Go this direction. Go under the stitches in one direction. Pull the yarn through. I hold this steady while I pull. Skip over a piece of yarn and work into the next direction and work into the opposite direction. Weave under the stitches. Gently pull through. And then again, I'm going to tug ever so slightly on my yarn. Cut at the base. And then let it slide right back into the stitch. And there you have your Z. And then at this time, go ahead and block. If you ever have an idea for a pattern, or you've seen patterns and you don't like what you see, you don't like how they're not quite what you want or need, I would like to encourage you to get some graph paper and make your own patterns. Draw out a sketch of what you're looking for or what you want, and just turn them into patterns. Make a couple of drafts. It's not going to come out right the first time or the second time, or it might come out really well, but then you mess up on the stitching. This was something I was working on doodling for a shirt. So just give it a try. Why not? What could it hurt? I hope you enjoyed working on this letter with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Toodles!